Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the coolest no-code automation you can build. An AI-powered agent using N8N, Telegram, and whole lot of automation magic. This is how it works. You send a travel request to Telegram like find me a vacation from Montreal to Islamabad from June 17 to July 17 for two people. And in seconds, you get a full travel plan with the best flights, top hotels, and even clickable activities delivered right to your email and the confirmation message to the Telegram. Ready to see how it works? Let's dive in step by step and break down exactly how this workflow is built so you can create your own AI travel agent too. This is the full N8N workflow. It starts with a Telegram trigger, extract the user travel details, check if any info is missing, find flights and hotel using AI and APIs, and then sends a beautiful travel plan to email and sends a confirmation message to Telegram. Let's break down each node and how it works. First of all, the workflow is triggered by a Telegram message. That means your users can interact with your travel agents from anywhere in the world, right from their phone. The bot listens from the travel request and sends the message to N8N to start the process. Next on, we use an AI agent to extract key travel details from the user message, like the origin, destination, departure, and return days, and the number of travels. This uses an AI model with structured output parser, so no matter how the user faces their request, we get the data in clean machine-readable JSON. Now we check, do we have all the info we need to search for the travel options? If anything is missing, like the number of travelers or a date, we use a function node or the code node to ask the user exactly what's missing, and then wait for their reply in Telegram before moving on. This ensures the experience feels conversational and interactive, just like chatting with a real agent. Once we have all the details, we use a set node to organize and centralize our variables. This makes sure that every downstream API calls get the exact input it expects. Now coming back, now coming to this AI agent, here we enrich the user's input with additional info like turning city names into airport codes or standardizing date formats. This step makes our search queries much more robust and is key for working with API that expect specific codes. Alright, now let's dive into APIs. This is where the real magic happens. This is where we bring in live data from the web to give our users the very best flight and hotel options instantly. As soon as we have gathered all the essential details like origin, destination, dates, and travelers, we start searching for actual options. First, let's talk about the Tavli node. Tavli is an AI-driven search API that can find relevant links or info for anything you want, like city guides, travel restrictions, or hidden gems in your destination. We send a query like top things to do in your destination, which in our case is Islamabad. And Tavli comes back with the links and summaries you can use in your final plan or activities section. Then next is the SerpApi, which is set up to use the Google Map engine. This is how it works. We feed it a search query like hotels in our destination, which again in this case is Islamabad. SerpApi goes out to Google Map, find the best hotel results and bring back rich info like hotel names, ratings, addresses, prices, booking links, and even images. This data comes back as JSON. So you can pick the top three, add clickable links, and even display hotel images in your final email. If you want to personalize this further, you could filter for things like pool, pet friendly, or best value. At the same time, we have the second SERP API node. This one's set to use the Google Flight engine. We pass in the traveler origin and destination, plus the travel date and the number of people. SERP API taps into the Google Flight, grabs live results, and gives you structured data. That is airline departure and arrival times, flight duration, price, and booking URLs. This means you're always showing your user the latest, most accurate options, just like the real travel agent would do. In some cases, we use a large language model like GPT-4 to interpret user requests or craft personalized recommendations, and then parse that output for reliability. Using an output parser here guarantees our AI responses always fit the format our workflow expects. Now comes to the fun part. Creating a beautiful, engaging email summary for the traveler, we use an AI-powered email agent with a custom system prompt. It breaks a plan into three sections: flight, resorts, and activities, each with the headers, images, and clickable links, all formatted in HTML. The output parser ensures the response is always split into two fields, a subject and a complete HTML body. The final plan is sent to the traveler's email using the Gmail node, and the confirmation is sent instantly to the Telegram so the user can view their travel plan. This dual delivery ensures the traveler never misses an update, and you can even click to book hotels or activities directly from their phone. And that's it. You have just seen how to build a fully automated AI travel agent using N8N, AI models, Telegram, and some of the world's best travel APIs. This workflow can save hours for travel planners, agencies, or just tech enthusiasts who love automation. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment if you want to see the full workflow JSON or a deeper dive into any of these steps. I will be sharing all the blueprints of this workflow in my Facebook community for free. Until next time, happy automating.